Hey, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to double my LinkedIn DM outbound campaign reply rate. This is my HeyReach. So it was originally at around 20%. We're in the month of February. We got up to 44%. And so I'm going to walk you through exactly how we're going to do that. HeyReach is the software that I'm using for my LinkedIn DM. There's a bunch out there that you can use. So getting into it, made a quick Excalidraw to break down what's going on behind the scenes, and then we're going to walk through it step by step so that you can incorporate this into your own daily workflows. Maybe you have an idea on how you could implement a similar campaign. The idea here is that I would like to help you think about how to go about this and how to use some of these tools so that then you can apply it to your own use case, which I think is going to be super important. So first of all, what we're doing is we're using trigger.dev. And if you're not familiar with trigger.dev, this is what it is. It's essentially a Zapier, an N8N, if you've heard of those, except you just use code. And the thing is that you don't even need to know how to use code, because that's what Claude Code is for. And you can do all of it in Claude Code, and you can just ask, hey, can you connect this to trigger.dev and whatnot. So that's the way to do it. What makes this really nice is that you could just talk with Claude in natural language and it'll do everything here, where if you're in Zapier and you're in N8N, you have to click around, you got to do all these things, and that is just time consuming and hard to learn. So what we're doing is we're going to have trigger.dev every 24 hours. We have competitors that we are scraping for to see if they've posted anything on LinkedIn. And so we have a list of 10 creators that we're going to find. And if they have posted something, we want to then qualify the post. Was it a lead magnet? We have AI go in and read the text and say, hey, is it a lead magnet post? Yes or no? And that's going to pass it through. So let's take a look. We have a list of our creators, and we're going to get their recent post. If it is a lead magnet, then we're going to get their most recent post, and then we are going to see, based on the post text, is it a lead magnet, true or false? If it is true, what was it called? What was the core pain points from it? But if it is true, let's get all the people who commented on it, and let's export that leads to a CRM. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do all of our enrichment in terms of being able to get the person, or get their contact information, verify their email, whatnot, and then we're going to send it to our HeyReach campaign, in which we're going to have targeted messaging based on what was in that lead magnet and what those pain points in that lead magnet was solving. Now, what's really nice about trigger.dev here is that when you scrape it, maybe the creator just posted the lead magnet. And so the commenters, maybe there's only 10. So what's really nice about trigger.dev here is that we have a scheduled run. So as soon as we do it the first time at that 9 a.m. Central Time every morning, every 24 and 48 hours, and of course you could do every 15 minutes, you could do every hour, you could do 24, 48, 72, 96, you could do that. You can just talk with Claude Code, be able to say, hey, set this up for me in trigger.dev. And so now we have it running after 24 and 48 hours to get those additional commenters on all of those same posts. Then we're going to be sending it into our DMs. But again, this was just high level for you to think about how you could be using a tool like BitScale. Of course, you could use Claude Code and some of these other tools to do it manually. BitScale does it really well. I have no affiliation with them. And you could just see how easy it was to grasp. A very similar tool like this is Clay. And so, again, just wanted to implement or have you thinking about trigger.dev as well. If you are using some of these other low-code tools, this just came out with their own one, Gemini. Makes it super easy to talk in natural language with trigger.dev. So you can start creating these automations without just natural language, and then be able to use these other tools to stitch them together to automatically scrape, get commenters, verify emails, qualify posts, XYZ, be able to get highly targeted messaging to the right people to be able to increase your reply rates. Cheers, and hope that was helpful. Thanks.